Hey there, I found this cool reversal indicator on TradingView that can help you make more accurate trading decisions. It utilizes support and resistance, price action, and momentum phases to predict market reversals. The best part? It's non-repaint and can be used for scalping and intraday trading on any time frame. Don't go anywhere because just before the end of the video, I will be sharing with you just a part of my 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy so you can see how powerful it is. In this video, I'll show you how to use this indicator effectively. First, open TradingView and find the reversal signals by Lux Algo. In the Indicators tab, apply to your chart. In the settings, enable options like perfect bullish and bearish momentum phases, resistance levels, and support levels. Now for a buy trade, look for a green support line and wait for a green signal. When both align, open a trade on a fresh candle. For a sell trade, find a red resistance line and wait for a red signal. Similarly, open a trade on a fresh candle when both criteria match. Remember, managing your trade is crucial. Set your stop loss just below the support line for a buy trade and above the resistance line for a sell trade. Take profit near the closest resistance or support level. Traders, if you like the content up to the moment, please don't forget to like the video because by doing that, the YouTube algorithm is going to show this video to more traders like you who are keen to know all about this unknown world of trading, especially about technical analysis. To avoid false signals, wait for the market to get close to the support or resistance lines. If it crosses or breaks these lines, the signal becomes invalid. Now I want to show you just a part of 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy and you can see how powerful it is. And shortly after, share the results with you. I've got some exciting news for you. Bybit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest present fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? Bybit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on Bybit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together. Still struggling with budget and you want to trade big numbers? Well, unlock your trading potential with FundedNext, the prop trading firm that truly understands your success in Paramount. Here's why joining us is a game changer. Firstly, enjoy an unparalleled 15% profit share, a testament to our commitment to rewarding our hard work and success. Unlike other prop firms, FundedNext delivers on the promise of the world's best payout bonuses. Bid farewell to the stress of tight deadlines. With FundedNext, there's no time limit on most challenges, allowing you to trade at your own pace and unleash your full potential. True trading excellence requires focus and a stress-free environment. Our unique approach to drop-down calculations sets us apart. FundedNext calculates the maximum daily drawdowns based on your account balance, ensuring a fair and reliable assessment of your trading performance. We are dedicated to being the world's most reliable prop firm, experiencing the best trading conditions in the industry with raw spreads, including in swap-free accounts and the lowest commissions. Just $3 per round lot on forex pairs and commodities, and 0% per round lot on indices. Maximize your profit potentials with our competitive pricing. At FundedNext, you're not just a trader, you're part of a family. Benefit from pro support team, experienced professionals committed to assisting you every step of the way. Your success is our focus, and personalized guidance is a cornerstone of your trading journey. Choose FundedNext today, elevate your trading experience. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Join us and unlock your trading potential. FundedNext, where your success matters. Don't hesitate to click and sign up on FundedNext down in the description or above here. This link is exclusively tailored by FundedNext for Income Nomad channel subscribers, and believe me, you're gonna be surprised. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. I'm always here to help. Make sure to subscribe to Income Nomad, your channel, for more useful trading tips and strategies. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Happy trading. See you in the next video.